We just picked up some OSB board, 4 sheets of it, that eventually we're going to do the same thing on this side once we remove these boards to get both buildings to match up when it comes to the siding once it's taken off. You see down there that right now the siding is almost the same level as the OSB board, because this building was not made with anything below this other than this form of cardboard. It's a structural material. We just took it off, and I'll show you in a second. But here we are here. This, they call it some form of insulation, but it's truly I don't know, maybe it's 5/32, but 1/8 of an inch to 5/32. And it is structural if nailed properly, except you're supposed to use the head of a roofing nail, and they didn't, so I guess it really wasn't installed properly. But it came off of here, and look what the mice have done. Look up there. They could not get into the wall cavities, but they can access up here because it just wasn't sealed off. So this is what happens when you're out in the woods. I mean, you can't blame the mice. They're just looking for a warm place, but they're just terrible. Look at that. Insulation quality, not much. So we're going to re-insulate it. Maybe I could see if I can put some form of stops up there to keep them out of there. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the OSB board on here. We've got it figured out to where we're going to cut at the bottom. You can see the blue line down there. We're going to remove the OSB board down there, and we're going to have our kicker board or our lower finish dimensional lumber start there, 1.25 inches below the snapped line, and then we'll have about a 5-inch reveal of that, and then our wavy board, which is back here, which we just had delivered. I mean, just beautiful stuff. Unfortunately, I really can't show it to you because I have the dimensional lumber sitting on the top of it. This board here is just a beautiful, almost a 17-foot, 10.5-inch board. That's what we're going to use for the beginnings all the way around the cabin. Though in the back here and on both sides of the old cabin, it's only going to show 1 inch, just the way it is. Because it's just too low to the ground. I don't want to bring this material that far down. We're already too close to the ground out back here. In building code, I don't know exactly what it is, but I think it's 6 inch. Nothing other than pressure treated can be within 6 inches of the ground contact. So, but that's it's an Adirondack siding or live edge, but it's more of a wavy board. We do not have the pronounced knots, though there are a few here, and I can show them to you. Here's one right here that really sticks out. You just see another beginning of one right there. Most of this is called wavy board. My wife did not like the sharp angles or the protrusions like there is there. I just love it, but you know what? Compromise. And this is what we have. So let me get back to removing the insulation. I've got my gloves on. I'm gonna have a mask on. Very bad to breathe in any of that stuff. And ready to go. It's only going to be 89 degrees today. Saturday it was 96, Sunday 94, yesterday 96, and today a balmy, cool 89 degrees. It takes a beating on you start to become an old fart like me. Signing off.